Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade buttermilk ranch dressing. This classic recipe starts with a few simple, high-quality ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup each of fresh buttermilk, good mayonnaise, and rich sour cream. Fresh herbs are absolutely key for that vibrant flavor, so have 1 tablespoon each of fresh dill and chives ready. We'll also use some common dry spices to round out the taste. First, let's create our creamy foundation. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and 1/2 cup of sour cream. Whisk these ingredients together really well. You want a perfectly smooth and consistent mixture, with no lumps, before we start adding our delicious seasonings. This ensures an even distribution of flavor throughout the dressing. Now for the flavor. Add your 1 tablespoon of fresh dill and 1 tablespoon of fresh chives to the creamy base. Next, incorporate 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Finish with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir everything thoroughly to combine. Taste and adjust any seasonings as needed to achieve your perfect ranch flavor profile. Once your dressing is perfectly seasoned, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all those wonderful flavors to fully develop and meld together, creating a much richer taste. Your homemade buttermilk ranch is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic on salads, as a dip for fresh vegetables, or alongside your favorite crispy chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.